Hi! In front of me is TCL 306, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this smartphone. Firstly, you need to find clock and click on it. Now tap on alarm at the top left corner if it's not already on and tap on this plus icon. After that, you can finally set up an hour and click on the switcher next to repeat. Now choose days of the week. I will go with Fridays and Wednesdays and scroll down. Now you can click on the switcher next to vibration to switch it off or on, and tap on the switcher next to show weather to switch it on or off as well. If you wish to enable it, you need to click on the switcher, just go to set, select agree, tap on turn on, and choose while using the app or only this time. Then click on the back button. Now choose label over here and save it by tapping on OK. Finally select ringtone and tap on one of those melodies to set up the best one for you. But you can also choose add new, click on one of those sources. I will go with music, select just once or always and tap on allow. Then select music from your smartphone and tap on done. After that, go back and click on the check mark at the top right corner to save your alarm. As you can see, mine was successfully added. You can switch it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. If you want to delete it, you need to hold it and select this pin icon at the top right corner. If you want to adjust all of your alarm settings, you can do that by choosing those three dots at the top right corner and adjusting all of them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!